Kublai Pibaro, Gidilongi Kubor, Bamdakasni. Sorkar Meghalaya, Pynbiang ya Nyop Kandai Point San Tingka, Shakagaru Hills Autonomous District Council, GHADC. Ray Menteri Rangba, Ukonrat Kisangma, Ulayatu, Daga Media, Haga Balapelong, Haka Cabinet Room. Menteri Rangba, Uyatu, Banaganiga Total Katwi Tingka, Kalongki Dues Badon Haka Council. Barkan ribu pra point San Tingka, kalong ka advance haka benta jong royalty balabu syaki, day banla banyo lada kalong por keleng, ka total nyop khandai point San Tingka kala sanction kalabiang syaka escrow account ulayathu. Baka escrow account ulayathu baka long ka account bala ban pendon kam yaki tulop kinong tray. Kini ki Pisa lapet lakmi haga jingpen pe jong principal secretary baka day banyat bank. Ka GHADC kan na Pynbiang hakikat arbnai yaki tulop jongki nong tray ADC.
29.5 crores to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council today, out of which about 11 crores is their dues, which is there right now with us, and the rest of the 68.5 crores is an advance we are giving towards their share of royalty from the future. And so 79.5 crores has been sanctioned and money has been released to the escrow account. As you all know, an escrow account is a fancy name, but it's an account which is, in a way meant to be very, very particular for the salary disbursement, and an account which will be obviously, as I said, monitored in a manner so that the funds are used only for the salary purpose. So this has been done, and with this amount, the district council now will be in a position to release the 12 months backlog for their employees.